Hi guys, welcome to this channel again. This video we're going to show you how I set up my compass calibration to switch on the radio. This video is brought by a request from a friend of mine called Vic. He wanted a situation where he can set up his compass on the field. So the first step we're going to do is to set up the controller to assign the actual stick to the um, mixer and the input. So in this case, go into your controller and go to your inputs tab, and then I'm going to go to channel 10. In channel 10, what we want to do is check the source, and then you want to cycle the actual switch. This would select that switch as that source for channel 10. In my case, it's SC. Now after that, you want to now do the mixer. You go out, and then you want to go to mixer, and in mixers you want to go to CH10 and click on it, and go to source, and again cycle the switch SC, and then once you're done, hit return key, and that is how the switch is now set up for the next phase. So we're going to jump into the Ardupilot and then configure the rest. See you at the other side. Okay, so we're back in Ardupilot. So I'm connecting wirelessly. So I'm just going to connect this to my Dragon Link wireless signal, and after that I'm going to select TCP/IP. TCP/IP enables us to go to connect to Dragon Link through wireless to link to Mavlink. So the default is 192.168.1.1 for the Dragon Link, and you click OK. Default rate is 14550 for the port number. We'll just wait for it to connect. It's going to try to get the parameters, so we just wait a bit for it to do that, and hope all goes well. So it's collecting the parameters right now. Um, I did the video on how you can set Dragon Link to your Ardupilot and connect it wirelessly, so you don't have to use a USB cable all the time. I will put the description to that link. I will put the link in the description below. Yeah. So massive thank you to all my supporters. I just want to say that you guys are awesome. It's because of what you do that enables us to create videos like this, great content as well. Help teach other people how the hobby and the RC hobby goes. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. And don't forget to share, and most importantly, comment. It helps us to create more videos. So let's go back into the, it's also in the description below. All right, so after it's done, we're going to go to configuration tab, and in configuration tab you want to go to the search and you type in RC10. RC10 is our channel 10, and in the options, this is the most important part. You want to set this to 171, and after we've set that to 171, we have to write parameters. That's what would enable the channel to do the compass calibration. So once that is done, we need to jump into the actual, let's go back to the aircraft, and then I can show you how that all works, how that works out. So see you on the bench. Okay, so we're back here on the bench. What we need to do is first of all connect the aircraft to your battery or your LiPo. So now where's this? It's good. Okay, so you want to connect your battery to the flight controller, and we wait for it to initialize. So that's my RC channel 10, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to now wait for it, and then I'm going to flip the channel. So you now hear that it is beeping, and compass calibration is my compass calibration mode. And once you're done, with all the calibration, you need to roll it in all the different axes to also face down. Once you're done, you now flick this back out, and that you have completed your calibration on using your switches. Thanks for watching this video. Click the like and subscribe and the notification bell to see more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.